In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Apple ID not sending code to my number. If Apple is not sending a verification code to your phone number, the first action you should take is to look at the verification screen. Here you will see an option that says didn't get a code or can't get to your devices. Tap on this option. This step gives you the chance to receive the verification code via text message or phone call. Apple can send this code to your trusted phone number in either format. By selecting the method that works best for you, you increase your chances of receiving the code quickly. You will see a confirmation message indicating that the request has been sent. Next up, check if you have another trusted Apple device signed in to the same Apple ID. This is a vital step because verification codes often appear automatically on trusted devices like iPhones, iPads, Macs, and Apple Watches. Look around to see if any of these devices display a notification for a verification code. If you see it, simply retrieve that code and enter it where prompted. This can save you time and ensure you regain access to your account without hassle. Now, let's ensure that your phone is capable of receiving regular text messages and has a functioning mobile signal. This might seem basic, but it's essential. Restart your iPhone to refresh its settings and also toggle airplane mode on and off. This action can reset your network connection, possibly allowing the verification code to come through. You should check for any bars indicating mobile signal strength. A stable connection is key to receiving messages promptly. After that, if you use message filtering on your device, it's time to check if the verification code ended up in the unknown sender section. Sometimes important text can get filtered out unintentionally. Apple recommends enabling notifications for time-sensitive messages. You can do this by navigating to Settings, then Apps, and finally Messages. This step is crucial for ensuring you don't miss any important codes or notifications in the future. Once you adjust these settings, you should be better prepared to receive verification codes. At this point, if you have access to another trusted Apple device, you can manually generate a verification code. To do this, open the Settings app, then tap your name at the top of the screen. Next, tap Password and Security. Finally, tap Get Verification Code. This method is a reliable way to obtain a code without waiting for a message. It gives you control over the situation and allows you to proceed with your tasks more efficiently. If you recently tried too many times to get a verification code, Apple may temporarily block new verification requests. In this scenario, you'll need to wait several hours before trying again. Users have reported that waiting between 8 to 24 hours often resolves the issue. Patience is key here. Sometimes, a little time can make a big difference in getting back into your account. Lastly, for your security, never share your Apple verification code with anyone. This is important because Apple will never ask for your code in emails, text messages, or phone calls. Protecting your account is paramount, and being vigilant about sharing sensitive information can prevent unauthorized access. Following these steps will help you troubleshoot the issue effectively. You are now equipped to handle the situation with confidence.